Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to create X-ray effect. I will open this photo, and if you want to create X-ray, we can use invert tools. Go to image, click on adjustments, and then choose invert. So it will be create for the X-ray, and you also can set into black and white by changing the mode into grayscale like this. Take a diskette. And that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials. How to create Xref with invert tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.